Hey guys, this is Corey again. Today we are continuing on through the presentation that Eric Vaughan did during the Imagine AI Live 2024. He is doing an AI transformation of his business, and this is a good example of a way to do it. Maybe not everybody agrees with exactly how he's doing this, but I have gone through quite a few things in the digital revolution and tried to bring people along. Sometimes you just cannot. So it really comes down to participation, their ability to, their focus on actually, doing the tasks that are necessary. So in this part, he's kind of talking about the top grading piece where the previous video, this is part 3, previous video, part 2, talks about, just more or less how they got to this point of the 80%, the 90% level actually. So anyhow, let's see what he's doing here with the top grading. He's got some very interesting approaches, so we'll take a look.
You can't get to the bar, your role is still needed. We'll be hiring somebody that is AI enabled to drive this. That was very clear, and so we doubled down and invested more. This was my post from just at the start of the year. We created and declared something called AI Mondays. Now this was every single Monday throughout Q1, you're not allowed to do any work unless it is AI, the pursuit of your AI skill set. This could be education. There were group workshops. We hired a VP of Gen AI to help organize this. This was taken through projects, driving business-related projects, doing development on software. I mean, after all, we are a software company, and so driving AI features through our software. This was something that was completely different, and of course, I created a bad problem for our company. We now had 4 days to get 5 days of work done, and we were serious. No customer calls, no visits, no traveling to trade shows, no traveling to anything. If you're at your desk, it's all about AI. And so we said, we hope you're spending AI Monday figuring out how to solve or how to perform 5 different days of work in 4 days. And so what we ended up with, and I think you'll find this common in the journey, we're looking for these people.
So that's very interesting. By focusing 1 day a week, the Monday, the AI Mondays, being able to focus on tools that are going to level you up to the point that you can go get 5 days worth of work done in the 4. So that is a very big incentive. That's a really, really interesting idea, and I think really quite cool, because learning how to use those tools, focusing, causing yourself to make a change and utilize those tools will give you more efficiency. So suddenly you're going to get that 20% that we were talking about before, or 25%. So this is how you get there. And I think not only do you want to do something kind of similar, in your own business to try to leverage that and take advantage of that, you also want people leveling up their skills. And I think as even solopreneurs, we would want to go and do that kind of thing. Make sure that you are utilizing AI where you can use it. So this is a really cool graphic here. It shows the guy how he was, and then what he's converting into. Let him talk about that.
We're looking for people that swap their old ways for new ways. And you can see we invested time, effort, money, energy, passion to get them there. And this is what we expect. The guy on the left used to work this way. Guy on the right's got an AI tool belt now. He can wield LLMs and chatbots and APIs and different things. There's no excuse if you don't know Python anymore. It writes it for you. You can do it all, right? But we also, and you will also find, you'll end up with some people that look like this, unfortunately. The guy on the left looks exactly like the guy on the right, except he put an AI hat on. Yeah, that's not going to work. And all of these people are going to make your job of transforming your organization fail. So you have to be compassionate, you have to be honest, and you have to wish them well in their new career, if you're as committed to it as I think you should be. So yesterday, Bindu Reddy was up here on the stage, and I think I'm going to be second for the most words per minute. I don't know. Bindu talked really fast. That girl's got a lot of energy. She was great. She posted this on X a few weeks, just last week actually, where she talked about the age of the agent. And we think that absolutely true. This agentic AI that you keep hearing about, dispatching AI agents to go do tasks for us. Absolutely believe that. That was her post. Well, we're here today to announce something slightly different. It's a
Okay, so the AI agent that he just talked about, that's very much what we're doing with Air.ai and bringing conversational voice AI agents to the table. This is a lot of executing tasks with agents. The kind of concept that he's talking about here, they're showing us, AI agents doing things all over the place in a park. And we'll have to go look at Bindu's presentation. I think I missed most of it, so I'll have to, when I was at Imagine AI 2024. So you kind of see just what he's doing here to transform his organization. And then the next piece he's going into is the Jive personas. And I already did a video on that, but it's it's the outcome. I think it's part of the outcome of what he did. So maybe we'll just do that and make that like part 4 to kind of tie it all together. Anyway, that's what I have for you today. Just kind of keep in mind that in order to do these transformations, you're going to have people that adopt this technology and people that will not or cannot or just don't have the energy for it. And you are going to need to do this. You're going to need to adopt AI to remain competitive, I believe. All right. Thanks for watching.